this video, I'm going to discuss about the structure of lactose in detail, which is a disaccharide. Yes, I've discussed about the sucrose and maltose in my previous videos. Now the structure of lactose. And this lactose, yes, as I said, this is a disaccharide. That means it is made up of two monosaccharide units. And what are those two monosaccharide units? It is galactose and glucose. Beta galactose and beta glucose. And this is called as milk sugar. White milk sugar means it is present in the milk, so called as a milk sugar. And how this lactose is being formed? By the linking of C1 of galactose and C4 of glucose. So let me write the structures of galactose and glucose and then we can connect it. Okay. So let me write the structure of galactose. The galactose also is a 6-membered ring with oxygen. And let me number them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as usual, the 6th carbon atom at the top here. 6th carbon atom. So this galactose here, which one is the beta D, right? Beta, first write the structure of glucose and then I'll change it to galactose for convenience. Okay, just so what is beta glucose actually? Alpha will be OH on the top, but beta OH. H on the top. So beta will be OH on the top. So OH, H for beta glucose. Second one, H, OH. Third, just reverse the configuration for glucose. And here also for glucose, we'll have HOH. But for galactose, same as glucose. Only thing is the configuration at 4th carbon atom instead of H and OH, write OH here and H here. This is what is beta D galactose. Similar to beta D glucose, only thing is change the configuration at the 4th carbon atom, write OH on the top and H. So now writing what? Glucose. Right? So oxygen here. So these are what? The carbons. Number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th carbon atom. Right? So beta means OH on the top, H, OH. So OH, H, 3rd carbon atom. And 4th is H, OH. And this is what is beta T glucose. Right, where the linkage is being formed, C1 of this and C4 of glucose. So C1 atom and C4 atom. So this OH. So this is how the water molecule is lost. So I can link these two carbon atoms. That is C1 of this one and C4 of this one. So you can erase this, right, and link it. So this is how it is being formed. Right? Yeah. So this is a glycosidic linkage which is being formed, which is formed by the joining of beta galactose and beta glucose at C1 carbon atom of galactose and C4 of glucose. This is what is the structure of lactose. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. The whole chapter of these biomolecules has been discussed on my YouTube channel, each and every bit of it. So the details of this has been given in the description box below. You can go through it and check the link. Yes.